Hello and welcome to Wizard 6. This part will be on Toy Story Collection. Oh, my Toy Story Collection. Toy Collection. My bad. But that will have, the Toy Collection will have any type of toys that I already have. And first I'll do some history about them, and then I'll review about them.